am Rupa Shetty. I am from Mangalore basically, but right now I am here in Bangalore from past 15 years. I had a congenital issue where I could not see at all. So from third standard, I started wearing glasses, like soda glasses exactly. After that, when I completed my education, I went into lenses. So around 2 months before, I came to know that insurance is covered for LASIK as well. If the power is above -7, okay. So my power was too much, and Dr. Sandeep from Vision Palace, he suggested me that I can undergo LASIK surgery and I can get it done through insurance. He suggested Dr. Sushrut's name, who is in Vijaya Nethralaya Super Speciality Eye Hospital, which is near Nagaravavi. I came here and I met Dr. Sushrut, and he explained every step of LASIK so well, and we were so convinced with the LASIK surgery, because basically what happens is eye is the main thing for us. So when someone explains so well and convinces us to go through LASIK, we'll always be ready. So then me and my husband, we were like very happy, and we agreed to to undergo LASIK. And I was thinking that it's a very complicated surgery, it will take a lot of time and I'll have to get admitted and all that. And in the morning I come to hospital, and they asked me to wait in the waiting room. Like I am having butterflies in the stomach, thinking that it's going to be for very long, and what will happen after the surgery and all that. It was just the surgery was just for 10 minutes, max 10 minutes. And even during the surgery, Dr. Sushrut, he kept me so calm, and he was like, good, everything is going fine, and I was feeling so confident that everything is going so well, After 10 minutes, he said that, it's done. It was for both the eyes, and it was completely, I was like, before going how I was, and after it was done, I was so happy. And I came out, and even my husband was like, oh, only so much, it happened so soon and all that. So immediately after that, they gave us drops, and they told us what to do step by step, what we are supposed to do and everything. And we got discharged on that day. And I never thought that I could live without my lenses or my soda glasses. And now I am so happy that I'm not supposed to wear my lenses anymore, and I'm not supposed to wear my glasses anymore. It is perfectly fine now, and I can see everything so clearly, and I'm very happy. Girls especially, like we will be so conscious about our looks, right? So we don't want to wear soda glasses, and lenses, if you wear, definitely dark circles are the ones first which starts. And then every time you wear makeup, you'll feel that you'll have that uncomfortable feeling. So I was going through all that, and now I am so happy that I have to not think about all that anymore, and no soda glasses or no lenses anymore. I am really very happy, and I am very thankful to Dr. Sushrut and Vijaya Nethralaya for supporting me so much. And I'm happily going out after 1 month of my surgery. Yes, I am very thankful to Vijaya Nethralaya and Dr. Sushrut for giving me this, and thank you so much.